method of fixing buys. Okay, we are discussing about the tournaments, that is your knockout best tournament, and according to that we have to know how to fix the buys in the knockout tournament. Okay, your method of fixing buys. I am taking the example of total number of team. Okay, total number of teams equal to 11. Okay, now total number of team is your 11. Okay, suppose there is a 11 team, so how many rounds are there? Number of rounds I have already told that depend on the 2 power, means 2 and 11 is your nearest to 2's power, who's nearest to 2 power. Suppose I am taking your 4. Okay, means 16. It is closer by 16. So, okay, now here means your round equal to your 4. You have to, if I take the n power 3, means 2 power 3 is equal to 8. You have to take more than this, okay, not less than this one. So I have taken the 2 power 4, means 16 here. So total number of round equal to your means 4 rounds. Okay, now number of matches. Number of matches I have already told, n minus 1 equal to n is your 11 minus 1 equal to your 10 matches will be played according to the knockout best one. Now here how many teams, okay, will be the upper part and the lower part, means upper half and lower part. Okay, now here we got the number of teams 11, number of round, okay, number of matches, and you have to find here by how many number of buys, total number of buys. How you will calculate the total number of buys? Okay, here we have taken the 16 here, 2 power 4, okay, means 16. 16 minus 11 here equal to your 5 buys here. This is the way how to calculate the buys. Okay, if number of team is here 10, you have to be 10. 12 is 12. Depend on the here power 4 nearest to this one. Okay, now 5 buys are here. Now here how you calculate the how many team will be the upper half and the lower half. How you calculate that one? So to find out the upper half teams, okay, upper half teams equal to n, okay, plus 1 upon 2, means 11 plus 1 equal to your 2 equal to your 6, means upper part team will be number will be 6. Okay, now for the lower half teams, formula equal to n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 11 minus 1 upon 2 equal to 10 upon 2 is your. Okay, this is the way how to calculate the how many team will be play upper part and the lower part. Okay, now how many buys are distributed? Here 5 buys are here total. Okay, so how many buys will be upper part and the lower part? So for the distribution of buys, okay, there is a formula also. For the upper half bytes equal to, okay, here n minus 1 upon 2 means number of bytes nb means number of bytes, n means number of t. nb means your how much your bytes your 5. So 5 minus 1 upon 2, 4 by 2, 2 bytes are upper part. Okay, now for the lower half bytes, formula nb plus 1 upon 2 equal to 5 plus 1 upon 2 equal to 6 upon 2 equal to your 3. Means here upper half term will be your 6, lower will be 5, by will be upper will be the 2 and lower will be the 3. This is a way how to calculate the your bytes also, teams also, and number of bytes, number of matches, number of round, and you already have to already you have knows that the number of teams will be 11. Okay, this is the way how to calculate the bytes. Okay, how can we distribute the bytes. Okay, now I will show you with the example. Okay, while taking the example, let's see number of team here, bytes here. Okay, little bit I will erase. Okay, the more. So total number of round, how many rounds are there? 4 rounds. Okay, so number of team is your 11. Okay, you will write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, now how many the upper part team here? This is the upper half team, lower half team. Okay, so upper will be 6 means here. This is your upper half. This is your lower half team. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 downward. This is your upper and lower here. Okay, according to team. If here is 11 team, you have to write this 1, 2, 3 according to the ascending order. After that, okay, how many bytes are here? Upper 2 and lower 3. There is a rule of the just fixing the bytes. Okay, first bytes always given to the last one. Here bytes, first byte here. Okay, and there is a rule. Second byte will go here. Okay, second byte. And here 1. Okay. From here 3, 1 is given here, from 2 here 1. Okay, now let's do this. Second byte will be here. First, second, third, and fourth will be here. Okay, first, second, this is your third byte, fourth byte, and last one. Okay, fifth one. Okay, 2, 2, 2, 2. Now here 1 left, so third byte will be here. Okay, means 2 by upper part, 3 by lower part. This is the way. First byte will be here, second, third, fourth, fifth, 6, 7, 8, alternately. Okay, now this is your first round. Okay, how many rounds are here? 4 rounds. Okay, first round. This is the first round. We are taking the team of 11. Okay, now first byte will be your first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Yeah, fifth by this one. Okay, now how will play the match? This will play. This already by now. Okay, and this also by now. Okay, after playing this one. Okay, Suppose 3 wins, here 5 wins, then they will take long second. Here also this is the way. After that, suppose by team will win. Here also by. This is your third round. Okay. Suppose here 8. Okay. Now 8. Here 1 dice, 4 dice, 10 is. Now here also one. This is your 4. This is the format of fixture for the knockout list. Actually, we have discussion about the fixing bites. Okay, here the main bites: first, second, okay, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, according to this one, depend on the bites. Okay, and this is the formula of taking out the bites for the upper part and the lower part. Okay, for the upper team, lower team. That depend on the teams. Okay, this is the way how to fix the bites. Okay, here first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. If there is a 6 bite, then it comes here. Okay, 7, 8. This is the way how to fix the bites in a knockout tournament. Okay.